keeps a glass-top terrarium under a spotless overhead light. Leaves that never ask for water, green that never has to die. A candle with no scent at all, a smile practiced to hold its shade on a row of perfect window fronts, where every door looks cut the same. And the air is clean, but it isn't kind, like the room was staged to erase the time. And it wears you down, yeah, it wears you down, holding something pretty that can't hold you now. And it wears you down, yeah, it wears you down, when the surface stays shining and the inside's loud. He's got a job that speaks in numbers and a shirt that never shows a crease, hands that used to build a future now just carry keys. He laughs at jokes he doesn't hear, he sleeps with the screen still on, in a house that looks like comfort, till you notice what is gone. And the days roll by like a loop with no end. You keep saying fine, but you don't pretend. And it wears you down, yeah, it wears you down, holding something pretty that can't hold you now. And it wears you down, yeah, it wears you down, when the surface stays shining and the inside's loud. Turn the lights off, let the quiet speak, let the real air in, let the walls release. If we're breaking, let it break in truth, not in pretty rooms that don't need you. And it wears you down, yeah, it wears you down, all the careful polish still can't calm you now. And it wears you down, yeah, it wears you down. So I'm choosing what is real over what looks proud. Let it fall, let it fade. If it can't breathe, it can't be saved.